Now let's look at three key mantras or ideas from Kanban system. These help us a lot in ensuring that the work flows through the system faster. One simple mantra is stop starting the new work, start finishing the existing work that's already pulled by us into the system. Why this helps us? It helps us to finish whatever we have pulled in faster, because time started clocking in on those items, and the lead time or cycle time of the items that what we picked will be shorter when we follow this mantra called stop starting, start finishing. Also remember, the work in progress when it is too high means items are lying idle. People are occupied with fewer items, rest of the work items are idle. If the work in progress limits are too low, that means only fewer items are in the system. The people will be idle. We need to balance the work in progress and the capacity of the people available.